Welcome back to Piggy Garage. This is going to be part 3 of the tin garage, metal garage, barn build, whatever you want to call it. This is going to be our second detached garage. It can fit up to 6 cars. Just a little initial brief. So it's 4 cars, so 2 car with walking room and then 2 lifts in the back. Last time you guys saw it, they put up the inside boards and whatever, put the metal on. Now the concrete has been poured. It looks very nice. It's also been graded for inspection. We just threw some straw down and some seed to get it inspected. Waiting on the garage doors for the final inspection. They're custom made to order garage doors, so I believe it's 9 feet tall. Yes. If it's incorrect, I'll put it in the description. But what the garage doors are going to do, they're going to be the lift masters, I think. But pretty much they're side mounted and they go all the way up to the 12-foot high ceilings. So you can fit everything. But it fits the maximum amount of space. But here's the floors. So everything is in, windows in. Also the boarding or the boards to mount the insulation and metal walls. It's going to be all white interior, so white ceilings, white sides, super clean inside. We're going to epoxy the floors. We are doing 1 hose reel and 1 electric reel on the side here. It's like 100 feet, so pretty much you can reach anything outside and anything inside. To start out, we're just going to do 1 lift in the back here. We're trying to decide on whether or not we want to put a bench, like to take up the side here and then come this side, so it'd be like a L shape, or just a single bench that comes all the way into the middle. The split unit will be all the way up at the top of the 12-foot ceiling, and then we're probably going to do a TV over here, maybe in the middle. I don't really know. We'll figure it out as it goes. We're going to do 5 strips of 8-foot 2-bulb LEDs, so it's going to light up like a Christmas tree in here. It might be overkill, but we're going to put half of the switches, so like, how do I explain that? So only like 3 or 2 bulbs will come on each side at a time. And then they'll be variable, so we can dim them and whatnot, but it'll be plenty of light. I mean, 8-foot strips going across, so it'll take up about 16 feet. And this is only a 28-foot wide building, so that is a lot of light, especially 5 of them. And then we're going to do 2 industrial fans, nice and cool in here. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. We still need the door, the other door that we ordered, and then the garage doors. But because of COVID, they're on back order. But what stinks is the county probably won't pass the initial inspection until we have the garage doors. Also, all the white trim has been installed. It looks pretty nice. The gutters have been installed, the downspouts, everything and that such. We decided to come out on the concrete to, just make it look better instead of the concrete just stopping at the garage doors. It's like a different look. Blacktop will come up to here. This concrete is 8 inches thick, so super thick concrete. The joints are drilled about 1.5 inches deep, so that prevents the cracking. The epoxy will come in over top of this. We're trying to decide what we want to do for epoxy. Not really sure just yet. And whether we want to do white floors or black floors. Whether we, with epoxy, you can do like these, it's like little rubber pieces to add some, flavor into the floors, or you can do like a paintbrush type of look. Not really sure which one we're going to go with. The floors are a little bit dirty right now just because when they cut the joints, it was a little wet and now the sand's just sitting. But that can be washed away. I'll take you around the side here. So here's the side of the building. I think I really like how it turned out. There's the pergola on top. The white accents look pretty cool. Yeah, really excited to see this thing completed. Stinks that the garage doors aren't in yet, but yeah, very, very cool. Super high ceilings. I mean, 12-foot high ceilings is kind of wild, but we're super excited. And everything's going to be insulated, so insulation all the way in the roof rafters on the sides here, and like I said, white metal walls. So you know, if you want, you can wash cars in here, do whatever you really need. But the big thing with metal buildings is make sure you know where you're going to run the electric outlets, because if you don't run the electric before the metal sides go up, then you'll be running the electric outside of the metal, which is an eyesore in my opinion. I think we're going to put also the air compressor in the back left corner there. Not too sure, but yeah, I feel like the biggest headache so far is waiting on things to come in, because everything's backordered, like that window, this door, the garage doors. You know, everything is expensive. You know, lumber prices are expensive. If we built this building a year ago or 2 years ago, it would have been a lot cheaper. Yeah, I think that's pretty much everything. Make sure you know where you're going to run the electric. Like I said, like that, you guys, like a lot of people overthink that or overlook that, but it's a super key and pivotal point. For example, if you're going to put in, you know, more than one lift, you want the lifts to be run by the electric up at the top. You don't want it to be run on the floor, so the cord will run down to the lifts. Yeah, so this is the third update on the garage. I hope you guys like it. We're really excited to see where this thing goes, and we're excited to get some vehicles in there. We got some new vehicles on the way, so that'll be, you know, some fun content to come on the channel soon. If you have any questions at all, leave a comment below and I will get back to each and every single one of you. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.